guys, we're going to Switzerland today. It is the first time I'm going to that country. It is actually funny because I'm always booking like the early flight, so it's 5:30 now, and I'm always telling myself, don't take a super early flight to just save 20 bucks. But I did it again. We're heading to the airport now, and then we're flying into Geneve, I don't know how to pronounce it, Geneve in Dutch. It's gonna be super exciting because I'm meeting a friend who lived there for a long time. So he knows the city and he knows his way around there. So we're gonna have a lot of fun and we're gonna meet some of his old friends as well. So come with me on this trip and we'll see what we're gonna get. Let's go. I'm at T1 in Barcelona. I parked my moto right behind me. Let's find security. Alright guys, we made it. We're in Geneva. It's 9:20 a.m. It's an amazing day. The sun is shining. It's not that cold. It's getting 24 degrees today, so I'm pretty surprised. Got that I don't have roaming, that I don't have any internet in this country, because Switzerland is within Europe, but not in European Union, so I cannot use my data. I have to be living on Wi-Fi's this weekend, which is, I mean, I can't complain. It's also nice to have a little bit more quiet space and not have all these notifications come in all day long, but whatever. My friend, he comes pick me up with public transport, but I think public transport is a good way to see the city, right? Because it takes you literally around. Like in a train, you can just sit back, relax, and look at the view. So I kind of like it. Well, let's see what this day is going to bring. I have no idea what we're going to do. But fun fact, this is my 30th country that I visited in my life. Number 30. I think it's a special thing. So, and it's just for a couple of days, but let's see. We're going to make the most of it. Wow, look how fancy. Crazy. It's like a restaurant in this train. Look how clear the water is. And there's a sign, don't cycle in the water. Alright, so I made it to the lake. It is a beautiful day. It's already 22 degrees and it's getting 24 actually. So a hot day. It's even hotter here than in Barcelona where I come from. It's beautiful. The air quality is so good. It's so fresh. There are big expensive cars here. Like you see that people have money in this country, honestly. It's great. Great atmosphere. Love it. First tourist attraction, the flower clock. Isn't it beautiful? They're still working. They're building a fence here. So now is my time to run over the clock, but I'm not gonna do it. Look at this police logo. How much do you think the designer got paid for this? That's beautiful. Oh my God, these bumpers, crazy. We have vistas, like views over the city and the church also. Let me show you. So that's the church or cathedral. The views over the city. Isn't it beautiful? All right, I quickly changed. New t-shirt because my other one was smelling a little bit from the trip. The flight was only 1.5 hours, but I'm always sweating in my trip, you know what I mean? So anyways, now we're looking for a place to have a coffee and a small bite maybe before we do like a walking tour around the city a little bit. All right, a coffee. And he ordered a mojito, oh my lord. A coffee and a mojito. What time is it? 11:23. All right, let's start. I really wanted to have a coffee and also something to eat, but when we sat down in the sun, a perfect spot. Oh, there goes my sunglasses. I have this clip, you know, for my sunglasses. Actually normal glasses, and then I clip my sunglasses on them, but it fell. Anyways, so I wanted to have something to eat, also like a small bite, but they told us that the kitchen was opening at noon, and it was like 11:15. So unfortunately, I couldn't eat something, but we're gonna walk around the city center a little bit and then see if I can score some food somewhere. But it's so cute. It's so green. There's a lot of birds. That's what I love so much. So many birds. It's beautiful. All right, we go. All right, so this is the St. Peter's Church Cathedral. This looks like Roman times. It's crazy. It's beautiful. This place is built between 1150 and 1230. That's a really long time ago. It's huge. It's apparently Patrimonio Europeo. You have all these water fountains throughout the city, and it's with water from the Alps. And if it has a blue label, eau potable, it means that you can drink it. Drink getting fresher water than this, guys. Hey, we're drinking it. How do you drink this? Wow. Everything is wet now, but it's just normal bottled water. Okay, no, it's not really like bottled water, but it tastes good. It tastes normal. There's not really a better taste or worse taste or whatever. I get medieval vibes when I walk here. Like I'm walking through a film set. Every corner I walk, like look at this. It's so idyllic. Look here, even. There's like an open air museum everywhere you go. Crazy. So apparently this is one of the oldest houses in Europe. Maison Tavel. And it was burned out by fire, burned to the ground, and then they rebuilt it. I think it's a museum. Let's see what we're gonna do. There's an entrance here. Oh yeah, there's a real museum, yeah. All right, we're going to a nice park. And they have free public bathrooms all over town, so that's really nice. You don't have to like run to a cafe and ask them and then maybe pay or buy water in order to be able to pee. But they have a lot of bathrooms here, so don't worry about that. This is so relaxing. Everyone here is just in a relaxed vibe. Everyone's just chilling, having a break from work. Look at this. Apparently, this is the longest wooden bench in the world. 120 meters long. And now I'm gonna sit on it. Perfect and relaxing. Nothing special. So we're going to that mountain there. But in fact, that is in France. So we're crossing countries today. I already crossed countries today because I arrived from Barcelona. So I'm visiting 3 countries today in one day. The weather is beautiful. I keep saying it honestly, but it is actually very, very nice. So if you are considering visiting Switzerland or Geneva especially, then certainly come in May, because I know that it gets very hot during summer. So maybe, you know, July or August is not really a good time to visit this place. I mean, I think it's still nice because they have a lot of shade, right? They have a lot of trees everywhere. I don't know about humidity, actually. My friend, he told me that it could be quite humid during summer here, so I don't know. We're gonna take the cable car up, as I said, to the mountain up there, and let's see what the views are like over the city. I think it's gonna be super stunning. So we're gonna take some nice pictures there and videos too, of course. So let's hop on a bus and we'll be on our way. Cancel the party. It's temporary because they're doing some renovations, and we just saw on the website that they open in 72 days. It's more than 2 months, so they will open in end of August. Which is kind of weird because they will be closed for the whole summer. You know, I assume a lot of tourists will come here and want to take the cable car up and they can make a ton of money, but I don't know. They decided to close. So we're not going to do that. So let's see what we're going to do instead. All the buses have these cute little flags that are like horns. It's so cute. Imagine living here and there is a fire and then literally everything burns to the ground. College. Crazy. Okay, so we're here in Palais des Nations, the United Nations. You know, I was asking myself, why is the United Nations in Switzerland especially? And it actually makes a lot of sense because Switzerland is always neutral, right? When there's a war, they're kind of quiet. So as a United Nations, like uniting nations, you want to be in a country that has peace and is neutral. It's a safe base for you. Right here behind me. And this is the broken chair, and look, it is huge. Right in front of the United Nations, right there. Actually, by looking at this, with the fence and then the lawn, you know, with the house, it gives me White House vibes, like I'm in the United States. So let's go and touch the fence, because if you didn't touch it, you were not there. I didn't touch the actual building, but this is as far as I can get. The Garden of the United Nations.
It's not United Nations.
What?
No,
this is the United Nations there.
Over there, but this is the Ceramic Museum.
Oh, the Ceramic Museum. Okay, this is the Ceramic Museum. But it's like the garden next to the United Nations. It's so peaceful. These trees are beautiful. There's a museum. Ariana, is that you? Oof. Nice. We're in the botanical garden. And here's a sign. It says, "Here was a plant that has been stolen from a person that is not respecting our collections." Oh my god, they make special signs for that. That's hilarious. Do you hear these frogs? Oh my god. It sounds aggressive. If you're hungry, in the middle of the garden you have a restaurant. It's pretty cute, big also, and they have self-service for 19 francs. Self-service food. God, they even have flamingos. What is this for a botanic garden? It's beautiful. Look at them chilling there. Ooh, and a black swan. Wow. Things to see here for free. I know my hair is getting too long, but I just wanted to say, botanic garden, check, definitely worth visiting. So many different animals, so many different species of plants. Oh, we cannot, there's no exit here. We thought there was an exit right here, but there's not. Let's find it. Beautiful. So I'll definitely recommend you coming here. Not that far from the United Nations. It's really like 10-15 minute walk. But if it's a beautiful day like today, it's easily walkable. I don't even know if there's a bus going to this place. I guess so, but just get out of the United Nations and walk to this beautiful garden. Is that dead?
Yes.
She dead?
Yes.
She's sleeping. Oh no, there's a fly. Oh god. Oh, it looked like she died peacefully. Oh no, there's another dead animal there. What happened here? There's a crime scene. Holy crap. Well, welcome to the lake. This is the World Trade Organization, and I think they win the prize for best views. Don't you think? I mean, on camera, it's not as beautiful as in person, right? But it is amazing. The water is so crystal clear. It's like Curacao here. Amazing with the mountains on the background. It's beautiful. We are on our way to a restaurant, a really cute brunch place where they serve like tapas related dishes. Looked really good, had a great rating, so we're on our way to that place right now. And the walk is amazing along the lake. It's really cute, but it is super hot and there's no shade whatsoever. So I'm sometimes like trying to cover my face a little bit with my jacket because I'm really getting sunburn here. But this is the only complaint I have. For the rest, the views are beautiful. Beautiful, honestly. Got it, we found it. Look how beautiful. When we arrived at the restaurant, they literally closed the kitchen, so they were not serving food. So we looked on Google Maps and we tried 2 other restaurants that also looked nice and were in the direct area of the restaurant where we initially wanted to go. And they literally all closed their kitchens. So we were like, shit, okay, so we might end up at McDonald's or something because everything's closed apparently. But we found this burger place, burger factory, so we ordered a burger. So let's see if it is good. These look so crunchy. Wow. With the burger. Wow. Oh shit. Oh my god, I want this. Let's get it. We got this cake from this chocolate tienda. How cute does this look? It's this little shop. It's so cute. Alright, here we go. Oof. Look at these beauties. Drinking a nice glass of wine with the sunset. Wow. Alright, it's been an amazing day today. This is really the ending of today. But tomorrow we have some amazing events planned. So let's see what more is gonna bring us. I'm gonna sip a little bit of this wine and then we're probably heading to bed. I am stopping this video right now because it is already a long video. Next Thursday I will post the second video of this trip to Switzerland. I didn't expect to make so much content the first day already. So I would recommend you to hit the bell icon to stay updated about the future video that I'm gonna post, the vlog about the vineyards, and you will get a notification when I upload that video. So definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I want to thank you for watching. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next week.